Yo, what's up everyone? My name's Dave and you suck at programming, alright? Today, we're going to talk about signals, specifically signals in Bash and how to deal with them, alright? So let's get started. You've probably dealt with signals and you didn't even know it, alright? So let's say we're on the terminal here and we're going to run, I don't know, a command that'll take a while, something that'll take too long. Let's say we're going to sleep for 30 seconds. And we're like, you know what? I don't have time for wait for this. This is too much. I don't want to sit here. I don't want to be stuck here. Control C. We're done. What happened? What actually happened when I pressed Control C? Well, that signal was sent to the process. Control C actually gets turned into SIGINT, or interrupt. It's the interrupt signal. And then sleep receives that signal. Sleep doesn't do anything special, so it goes through the default behavior that all processes will go through, where all signals are fatal. So that will just kill it. Bam. Sleep is just going to die. Cool. Not a problem. We can just Control C stuff to stop it. Hey, that's pretty simple. What can we do with this information? Well, let's say we make a script here. And in this script, we trap the SIGINT signal and we do our own thing. So in Bash, we can do this. We can use the trap keyword, we can tell it what to run, and then we can tell it on what signal we want this to run. So when there's a SIGINT, we want to run the function on SIGINT. And as you can see, the function is defined up here, and all it does is print SIGINT received, ignoring LOL, and it doesn't do anything, it doesn't die, it just keeps going. And then our main program here is just an infinite while loop where we echo the word tick and we sleep for 1 second. So what happens when we run this? Well, we go in that infinite while loop, and it just ticks. It ticks every second. Okay, I'm sick of this. Control C. Uh-oh. Control C. Uh-oh. No matter how often I Control C it, the script is trapping it, and I'm stuck here. So what can I do? I can do something really interesting. Control Z. Control Z will stop it, and now from here, it's put it into my jobs. I can run jobs, and I can see that it's currently stopped. I can run FG and put it in the foreground, or I can run BG and put it in the background. All right, really interesting. So now that it's in this form, I can kill it. I can do %% for like the last background job, I think. And now it's gone. Terminated 15. What does that mean? Well, it sent signal 15, which happens to be SIGTERM. That's another signal. So when we kill a process, by default, we send it SIGTERM. We tell it to terminate. And that's exactly what it did. And hey, that's super cool. What if we don't listen to SIGTERM? What do we do now? Same exact program, but in this time, we trap two signals. We trap SIGINT and SIGTERM, and we just ignore both of them. As you can see, we're going to print slightly different messages, but the idea is the same. So what happens then? Well, we run this. We can't Control C it. It doesn't work. We can Control Z it, but if I go to kill it, it just prints that it received the signal, LOL, and now it's running again in the background. So what do we do? Let's foreground it. Let's run Control Z again, and now we've stopped it again. So we can run jobs, and it's still there. Well, this is where we bring out the big guns. We can SIGKILL it, or kill-9. You could use the actual name if you want to, but I'm just gonna do kill-9, %%, and bam. Nothing can trap that signal. That is SIGKILL. That is, it's done. It's not running. If I run jobs, it's no longer there. We don't have to worry about it ever running again. Cool. What about if we were to run this script that I wrote? This is a fun script. We just have a function called onSignal, which just traps signals in general, and we trap SIGINT, SIGTERM, and SIGTSTOP. SIGTSTOP is what gets sent when you Control Z. When you freeze a process and put it in the background, like with the with terminal with Bash or something, this is SIGTSTOP. So let's trap that. What happens now? Same deal. I can't Control Z it. What if I Control Z? Uh-oh. I'm a little bit stuck here. So what do you have to do now? Well, this is where your sysadmin skills have to come into play, because now you have to open a different terminal and you have to find that running process and you have to kill it yourself. From here, we can run PS and we can look for the process that we know is running and is causing us problems. We know the process starts with O2. There's a lot there. How about all LOL? There we go. Two things pop up. The grep and the Bash program itself. The Bash one is what we want. This is the process that's causing us a problem. We can grab that PID, kill-9, go over here, and then you can see it's dead. It's not running anymore. We almost got stuck, but we were able to navigate our way out of it, and that is how to process signals in Bash.